Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Brian Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Carrie Marquis, and today we're tackling an important aspect of divorce law, spousal maintenance in Texas. Spousal maintenance, also known as alimony, is a critical consideration in some divorce proceedings, particularly for spouses seeking financial support following the end of their marriage. Understanding how spousal maintenance works under Texas state law can help individuals navigate the divorce process more effectively. Spousal maintenance refers to payments made from one spouse to another for financial support following divorce. Unlike child support, which is based on the needs of the children, spousal maintenance is designed to provide financial assistance a spouse who lacks sufficient property or income to meet their reasonable needs. In Texas, spousal maintenance is not automatically awarded in every divorce case and is subject to specific eligibility requirements and considerations by the court. To be eligible for spousal maintenance in Texas, certain criteria must be met. The spouse seeking maintenance must demonstrate that they lack sufficient property, including separate property, to provide for their minimum reasonable needs. Additionally, they must prove that one of the following circumstances applies. The marriage lasted for at least 10 years. The spouse seeking maintenance lacks earning capacity due to a physical or mental disability, or the spouse seeking maintenance is the custodian of a child of the marriage who requires substantial care and supervision due to physical or mental disability. When determining whether to award spousal maintenance and the amount and duration of such maintenance, Texas courts consider various factors outlined in the Texas Family Code. These factors may include each spouse's financial resources and abilities to provide for their own needs, the education and employment skills of each spouse, the duration of the marriage, the contributions made by each spouse to the marriage, and any acts of marital misconduct by either spouse. Let's illustrate this in an action with real-life scenario. Meet Sarah and John. They've been married for 15 years, and Sarah has been a stay-at-home mom caring for their 2 children, while John has been the primary breadwinner. Now that they're getting divorced, Sarah is concerned about her financial future as she lacks the job skills and earning capacity to support herself. In this scenario, Sarah may be eligible for spousal maintenance based on the length of their marriage and her role as the custodial parent of their children with special needs. The duration and amount of spousal maintenance in Texas may vary depending on the specific circumstances of each case. In general, spousal maintenance may be awarded for a limited duration to allow the receiving spouse time to become self-sufficient, or it may be awarded indefinitely, particularly in cases involving disabilities or significant disparities in earning capacity. Additionally, spousal maintenance orders may be modified or terminated based on changed circumstances, such as remarriage or a significant change in financial status. In conclusion, spousal maintenance is a crucial aspect of divorce law in Texas, providing financial support to spouses in need following the end of their marriage. Understanding the eligibility requirements, factors considered by the court, and potential duration and modification of spousal maintenance is essential for navigating the divorce process effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, take care.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.